I am with Chef Amit Chaudhary, who is the executive chef of this Taj Mahal Palace Hotel in Mumbai. Everybody vies for the posting of a Taj Mahal Hotel's executive chef because you must have seen that many chefs switch on from one property to another property, but in Taj Mahal Palace, it's not only a status symbol, but it is a prestigious symbol that you are working for Taj Mahal Hotel. Chef Satish Arora, he worked for so many years in Taj Mahal Palace. Thereafter came Chef Hemant Oberoi, which was a long inning. Then again, today we have a Chef Amit Chaudhary, who is playing a very long inning with the Taj. Chef, today you are here for the book launch of Chef Satish Arora, who started his career with the Taj Group and stayed here for 50 years, which is a world record.
Absolutely.
Can you speak something about Chef Satish Arora's book launch?
This book is his autobiography of the life he spent, I should say, the life he spent most of his time in this hotel. This is a big hotel, huge operation.
Yes.
And the way he has managed, he has explained that in his book. And while managing, there are so many things, anecdotes that has happened with him during his course of interacting with his team, with the guests, with the heads of the state. You know, there are so many things that he has interacted with, and there is a learning.
Yes.
With each and every experience that he had. And I guess that book has to be, we should read that book. It throws insight about the complexities of our work as a chef,
Correct.
which most of the time we are in back of the scene and we are not seeing the front. However, this book, brings out the things and the talent that an executive chef or a chef has. If he has a passion, he can achieve any heights, and that is what Chef Arora has done. He has achieved a marvelous innings. Post his tenure of a year, he was posted to Taj Sats also,
right,
and got 12 extensions as he has written in his book. It's a marvelous achievement, which we could also emulate.
As Chef said that Chef Satish Arora has got many extensions after his retirement. It speaks a big volume that Taj wanted him. Taj wanted his expertise. Similarly, we look forward that Chef Amit Chaudhary also be in a big role over a period of time. And Chef, I know that you started with Chef Satish Arora. Can you tell me some brief about your initial period with Chef Satish Arora?
Yes. It happened that I was a chef trainee when I joined over here, and Chef Arora was the executive chef of this hotel. Everyone used to get scared of him.
Right.
And when I joined, I had my senior chefs around me to say that boss hai bach ke rehna. He is very he shouts and he will intimate me. But I didn't find him that. And he was a hands-on chef. That's the most important thing that I learned. That in spite of his busy schedule, more often than not, at around 3:15, he used to come to the kitchen and he used to cook food, especially European food.
Wow.
So that is his passion. He used to do for an event, whether it's 100 covers or 800 covers, but he used to make sure that the dish that he has put in that menu, he cooks that food. That is where we learned from him all the salient techniques of cooking food, and also about how to handle multiple things at one time. So that is what I could, and I always thought that yes, somewhere in some time I will be like him. And he was the one who had the knack of identifying talent among the chefs.
Absolutely, yes.
So he had picked me up and then he groomed me, and he changed my life from me being a confused new chef in this organization to a more defined person who aspired to be a chef who learned European food, because I had seen him cooking European. And that is where I feel that he has laid a very good foundation for me, and I built upon that. and I'm lucky to be back over here, the same place where he used to be the exhibition.
As Chef Chaudhary said, I want to be like a Chef Satish Arora, which is a big statement. And ये चीज़ें जो हैं अगली पीढ़ी के जो शेफ होंगे उन लोगों के लिए एक संदेश है. दिस इज a मैसेज टू द न्यू अपकमिंग शेफ. Thank you, Chef Chaudhary.
Thank you so
very
much. Thank you. All the best. Thank you.